What happens when a sequel not only returns, but smashes records, roars across theaters, and builds unstoppable momentum? Today's headline comes from the world of animated movies. From Variety. Zootopia 2 smashes China box office records with $34 million opening day. Disney's Zootopia 2 has roared to a phenomenal start in China, setting multiple box office records and signaling strong momentum for the animated sequel's global rollout. Vocabulary time. 1. Smash. Word, smash, verb. Meaning, to break something completely or to achieve something with great force and success. In entertainment, it means to completely beat a record. Examples. The movie smashed all expectations. She smashed the world record in the 100m race. Memory tip. Think of smashing a glass, a big, dramatic impact. When a movie smashes records, it hits them hard and breaks past them. 2. Roar. Word, roar, verb. Meaning, to make a deep, loud sound. Also used metaphorically to describe something strong, exciting, or very powerful. Examples. The lion roared loudly. The car roared away. The movie roared into theaters with huge numbers. Memory tip. Imagine the loud, powerful sound of a lion. If a movie roars, it arrives with huge energy. 3. Phenomenal. Word, phenomenal, adjective. Meaning, extremely impressive, extraordinary, far above normal. Examples. She gave a phenomenal performance. The sales numbers were phenomenal this year. Synonyms: amazing, outstanding, incredible. Memory tip. Phenomenal equals a phenomenon, something so great that people talk about it. For momentum. Word, momentum, noun. Meaning, the force or speed gained by something that is moving, also used figuratively to mean growing energy or progress. Examples. The team gained momentum after scoring early. The campaign is building strong momentum. Memory tip. Imagine a rolling snowball getting bigger and faster, that is momentum. In today's headline. Zootopia 2 smashes records. Roars into theaters with huge excitement. Delivers a phenomenal opening. And shows strong momentum for worldwide success. Try making your own sentences using today's words. For example. Her business gained momentum after going viral. The singer's phenomenal talent shocked the judges. Share yours in the comments, I'll check them for you. That's your daily English from the news. Real headlines, real vocabulary, every day. See you tomorrow.